Do you want to learn how to make my favorite go-to dip? Stick around and I'll show you all my tricks and secrets to the creamiest, smoothest hummus. First thing you want to do is add your dried chickpeas and water and let them soak overnight or for at least 8 to 12 hours. Add your beans and water and baking soda to a pot. Bring it up to a boil and skim off all those gross impurities. Yuck! In a food processor, add your tahini, water, and fresh lemon juice. I make the tahini separately because I want it to get nice and aerated, fluffy and creamy, and we don't want to heat the lemon, so this prevents it from getting too hot when it mixes with the chickpeas. Add in those cooked chickpeas along with the seasoning and blend until it is super smooth. Add the tahini mix back in and blend to incorporate. It's very important that you let your food processor blend your chickpeas for a minimum of 3 to 5 minutes. And what you want is to make sure that it is super, super, super smooth and creamy. It's up to you how long you want to let it blend. To get the full recipe, click on the link in the description below. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe.